Boost your chances. Understanding, increase the odds. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that's quite popular in both casual and formal English. Increase the odds. This phrase is all about chances and probabilities, but don't worry, we're going to break it down in a simple way. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. When we talk about increasing the odds, we're essentially talking about improving the likelihood or chances of something happening. Imagine you're playing a game where you need to draw a red card from a deck. If there are more red cards added to the deck, your chances of drawing one increase. That's the essence of increasing the odds, making a desired outcome more probable. Now, let's see how this phrase comes to life in everyday language. In personal goals, she increased her odds of getting into a good university by studying hard and participating in extracurricular activities. In sports, the team increased their odds of winning the championship by practicing daily and analyzing their competitors' strategies. In business, the company increased its odds of success in the market by investing in innovative technology and improving customer service. These examples show that increasing the odds can apply to various scenarios, from academic achievements to business strategies. Using increase the odds in your language is all about focusing on actions that make a positive outcome more likely. Here are some tips. Be specific about the outcome. Clearly state what goal or result you're aiming to make more probable. Highlight the action or condition. Explain what actions or conditions are being put in place to improve these chances. Keep it positive. This phrase naturally lends itself to optimistic scenarios, so it fits best when talking about improving situations. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, increase the odds. We hope this video has shed light on how you can talk about probabilities and chances in English in a way that's both clear and engaging. Remember, language learning is all about incrementally increasing your odds of becoming fluent. Keep practicing, stay curious, and, as always, happy learning. See you in the next video.